Hello friend, kindly subscribe to this channel DH Media GH. Like this video, drop a comment on it, and enjoy every moment of it. May God bless your efforts. Great gratitude. Let's answer the question, why should anyone study entomology? Entomology, the scientific study of insects, is a vital field with numerous benefits for human health, agriculture, environmental conservation, and scientific research. Some key reasons why studying entomology is important are: 1. Role of insects in ecosystems. Insects play essential roles in maintaining ecological balance. These include pollination, decomposition, and food chain support. Regarding pollination, bees, butterflies, and other insect pollinators help fertilize crops and wild plants, ensuring food production. About decomposition, insects like beetles and flies break down organic matter, recycling nutrients into the environment. Concerning food chain support, many animals, including birds, fish, and amphibians, depend on insects for food. 2. Agricultural and pest management. Entomology helps to improve food security by managing insect-related agricultural challenges through pest control, including integrated pest management (IPM) and research into beneficial insects. On pest control, it is established that understanding insect life cycles and behaviors helps develop strategies to reduce crop damage from pests like locusts and aphids. Integrated pest management reduces pesticide use by combining biological, mechanical, and chemical control methods. Through knowledge of beneficial insects, entomologists use natural predators such as ladybugs and parasitic wasps to control pest populations. 3. Public health and disease control. Medical entomology focuses on insects that affect human health. Concerning vector-borne diseases, mosquitoes, ticks, and fleas transmit deadly diseases like malaria, dengue fever, Lyme disease, and Zika virus. Studying them helps in developing control strategies. Forensic entomology. Insect activity on decomposing bodies helps determine the time of death in criminal investigations. Number 4. Industrial and economic importance. Certain insects provide valuable economic resources. One can talk about apiculture, sericulture, and insect farming. Regarding apiculture or beekeeping, honeybees produce honey and beeswax, contributing to the economy. On sericulture or silk production, silkworms produce silk, a valuable textile material. About insect farming, edible insects like crickets and mealworms are gaining popularity as protein sources. 5. Biodiversity conservation. Entomologists help protect insect species and their habitats. This is especially important in endangered species protection and ecosystem monitoring. Concerning endangered species protection, studying insect populations help to conserve threatened species. Regarding ecosystem monitoring, changes in insect populations indicate environmental health and climate change effects. Number 6, which is the last one, advancement in scientific research. Insects serve as models for scientific discoveries. For genetics and evolution, studies on insects like fruit flies have led to breakthroughs in genetics. Regarding bioengineering innovations, scientists study insect flight and vision to develop new technologies, for example, drone navigation. In conclusion, studying entomology is essential for food security, disease prevention, environmental sustainability, and scientific advancement. Whether in agriculture, medicine, conservation, or forensic science, entomology offers diverse career opportunities and contributes to solving global challenges. I am Daniel Hayford. See you in another question and answer session with Daniel Hayford. Have a great day.